Hey, it's Dr. P, your communication coach. One of the comments and questions that I'm getting on some of my YouTube videos lately on my channel, Speak Eagle with Dr. P, are questions about how do we get motivated right now to do the things that we need to do, like get exercise and get out of the house. So many of us are feeling stuck right now as this pandemic goes on and on. I was just reading an article this morning on Healthline that's saying that people are feeling more stressed than ever right now since the beginning of this pandemic. And in fact, we are experiencing some collective trauma. So this concept of motivating yourself, it can be a challenge for sure. My communication advice to you falls under the area of intrapersonal communication, which is the way you communicate with yourself, what you say to yourself. And my advice to you is to say to yourself, who can I find to love right now? Who around me needs love, needs motivation, needs encouragement, needs help? Pray for that person. Send them a scripture verse if you want to look in the Bible and find something encouraging to send. You can invite them to do something with you, like go on a hike with you. You can bring them a meal. You can help with something that they need help with. Invite them to do something with you, and that can motivate you to get out of the house as well. I went for a hike with a friend yesterday, and she asked me lots of curious questions. I asked her curious questions. We encouraged each other in our faith. We encouraged each other in our relationships, and it was exactly what we needed, exactly what I needed when I walked away from it. And isn't it funny how intrapersonal communication, like asking yourself, who around me needs love and encouragement today, can affect our interpersonal communication, which is the way we communicate with those around us, because then you're encouraging someone else. And there's something very therapeutic about getting out of your own head and helping somebody else, encouraging somebody else. So to get motivated, that's my advice to you. Look for somebody around you who needs motivation. You motivate them, and in the process, you're going to find you have motivated yourself. For more communication tips, please subscribe.